Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about when to do epilepsy surgery. Now, as you all know that any patient who has a seizure or epilepsy, the first line of treatment is medicines. So medicines for the patient, some people may require one medicine, some people may require more than one medicine. But despite taking one or more medicines, the seizures can be controlled in only about 70% of the people. In the rest 20 to 30% of the people, they tend to have recurrent seizures despite taking medicines. So when these patients keep on having seizures despite taking medicines, in the long term they have a lot of side effects from the medicine, and also as a result of ongoing seizures they can have consequences like they can have memory issues, they can have social restrictions, and they can have physical injuries, and sometimes they can even have sudden cardiac arrest. So it is important to know that in patients in whom seizures are not controlled, the other options available is surgery. So it is imperative that any patient who has uncontrolled seizures, in an adult at least taking medicines for 2 years, and a child who has taken proper medicines for 1 year. So if this time has passed beyond 1 year in child or 2 years in the adult, they should consult a epileptologist at the earliest to find out if there is a surgical remedy available. So we at Aster Harvey have a comprehensive epilepsy unit which is working 24/7 where we aim in pre-surgical evaluation of and surgical management of complex epilepsy cases, and we have a comprehensive team of epileptologist, neuroradiologist, neurosurgeon, and intraoperative we have intensive monitoring unit which has all the facilities for doing complex epilepsy cases. So we are there to help all epilepsy patients, both children and adult, in solving their epilepsy problem. I am Dr. K. Ravish, consultant epileptologist working in Department of Neurosciences, Aster RV Hospital, JP Nagar, Bangalore. Thank you.